They broke everything, they took everything all night, and they had put up a fire here in the front. Majority are all small businesses who are all immigrants, and it affects them because this is your life savings. With little help I could have started the place, but once when it was burnt, then I thought, I'm done, this is the end. These pipes are still there. This is not something we can rebuild on our own. Lake Street has helped us a lot, but actually this help should be coming from the city or the government, which has not happened. It's on video what he has done. Do you think it needs a trial? They should have convicted him there and then, and now they are protecting him. So they are helping the wrong people just now. What their priority should have been the George Floyd family, which they have done. It should have been restoring peace again and building up the city, which has not been done. Their priority should not have been protecting the officer, which they are doing just now. Why? It's still going to be a long way. It's not easy for us. And this is going to be with us for life. We'll be struggling. Before rebuilding, we had called our guru and we had asked him. We were not planning to rebuild here. But then he said, no, it's for the community. You have to. You can't leave out like that. So we left everything and we started rebuilding it. And now we don't plan to move out from here. We are going to be here.